Imagine you are reviewing a developer today. They have 10 GitHub repository, hundreds of commits and polished readme, and great looking portfolio. But which the part actually tell you something useful about how they build software? That's the problem I want to solve. I built CandidateSignal as a AI assistant, engineer, and evidence to review platform that we turn public repo and telemetry into a engineer pattern portfolio and profiles. So the problem is not lack of data. The problem is that raw GitHub data is noisy. The commit counts does not tell you much, and repo count does not tell you much. The policy readme does not necessarily tell you how the system was built. And I did not want to build another AI tools that simple giving someone to hire support. So I designed the CandidateSignal around different principles. AI should help to explain the evidence, not replace the engineer judgment. Here the reviewer enter a public repo and GitHub profile or a repository. And once the CandidateSignals collect the observer telemetry search like active over the times and those signal is evidence to profile, like we clicking to review as what the happen in next. So first they are collecting the telemetry and assembling for the evidence profiles. The currently engineer evidence is around 6 evidence and active. They basically demonstrate basically active continuity and repository structures, workflow, communities and maintenance and breadth. Each repository get transparency and subscores to explain the observer. Example, instance style. They are candidate to suspicious. They must be saying most observer commit the consent short windows that we observer. The reviewing decide that what the means. Like I also designed the system around the GitHub data can be incomplete. For the example, the pull request history or repository structure may be unable, and because the rate of limit API and consent. So and CandidateSignals does not cover missing data into a negative signal. It makes the evidence to unknown and lower confidence. Like which way I use Mysteria. I basically a minimum what to reach the model. That the AI received the aggregate telemetry, instance the source code and readme content like repository URL or raw candidates authority, and basically they are already showing a review like the candidate GitHub treat me as a pattern slow workflow across multiple repositories which limit collaborative active and searching deep variety. Instance some projects are nested dictionary observe organizer while the other fact commit active and few repository which be recently polished. Most of the variety. This is basically summarize what the particular their treatment. First, the positive evidences repository is always committed. They are showing basically the information regarding the profile, and they are showing what they are reviewing these profiles. So basically, ministerial basically take the structure to evidence and convert the into a sometime review can be act as one. Force as a positive evidence, limitations, and uncensored areas and questions. So basically, so we and so I can also trace the system and real product service rather than the notebook demo. It includes the Streamlit reviewing workflow workspace, and first we use a fast API as a API and CLI basically to share domain model, rate limit awareness, and GitHubs and retry and fail handling, structures AI outputs and JSON audit export, and automation regress testing. And when we GitHub rate limit can be enhanced as the application does not depend on the result, and it explain the problems and prevent as a no evidence where the possible and the reduce the simplest pleasures. So what make the interest interesting for me in the company like Razorpay is not just a GitHub using a case. So that deeper pattern is we turn mystery operation data into a structures and evidence use the AI to interrupting it and keep determined around the models and giving a human as a attentionable interest. Basically, if the user already to update the GitHub repo as a manually without any externally help they can without any external help to recruiter already to accept that profiles, and that can same design applied for a developer to workflow and support operations, risk and reviewing, and fraud analyzing, internal productivity, and many of other real world systems. As a currently engineer was the AI detract as a emphasize for the AI negative systems like building workflows and practical AI execution, which the exactly the engineer's mindset. I want to project to demonstrate basically that fundamentals. And first we what the architecture we are using. So first we have hardly part. Our part was not calling as an LLM, but the hardly part we are described as what the evidence is actually useful, how to represent the missing data, and how to prevent the model for the becoming a design maker, and how to handle API limits. So and those decisions to describe as a save of the architectures like the CandidateSignal is not trying to replace the technical interview, but it is designed to make a review faster and more consistent and more evidence driving. And that goals is simple: less guesswork and more observable engineer to evidence. I am a Priyanshu Singh, and this is my CandidateSignal. Thank you so much.